Hey guys, what is up today? Today's another Minecraft video, and today we are playing Keep PvP, and I'm joined by
Demon Dophin.
and he's at my house. So
Oh, let's kill this guy, bro. Oh, you suck. Why did you do that?
no, I just got destroyed. Take that from me.
Oh my god.
King of the house. Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I
There's
actually
a diamond guy after me.
No.
I can actually not see. I haven't seen a single diamond guy.
I have. I'm being killed by one already.
Oh, well, that's sort of sad.
No, I'm dead already.
How did he kill me? Dude, wait there.
It's the king of the house, boys.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh! Get him.
Get him, boys.
Oh no, diamond guy.
Oh, shh. He just nearly killed me with his bow.
No!
I just saw you fall down.
No. Oh, damn, I died.
Whatever you do not go downstairs.
You are actually pretty high.
Level? What?
Yeah, you're level. No, you're not high level, but I meant like you're high on the leaderboard.
I'm level 3. Yeah, I haven't played this much.
It's me. It's up.
Oh,
it's me up there.
sorry.
Someone say. Oh no.
You know what I'm doing? Running. No. I saw you do that. Do you want me to come to you? Come here, boy.
Did you see me on camera?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, that's good.
You're just gonna get this guy. You wanna shoot him to this? Like, oh my god. No, don't, please.
I won't.
Hey, dude. Oh god.
I'm gonna grief you, bro. Hit this.
Oh, I hit him once.
Jump down.
I'm very sure I did.
Oh, I did diamond stuff there.
This block.
You guys won't understand that.
Yeah, we did a funny thing. This guy like really messed up. Come to me, dude. Cheer me out.
Cheer me out. Boom, jam, ba, bada bop bop. Get him! Oh my god, I got him, but he also killed me.
This guy like really sucks. I shot him like 9 times.
Get out of here. You're the guy who killed me before, aren't you? You sly dog, you. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, it's like mini walls. Like someone was wearing diamond boots. No!
Oh god.
There's so many diamond guys over here, so this is risky as. Ah!
Dude, if I were you, I'd just like give up on him.
Give up on life.
Oh, I've been shot by 2 people. This is not fair. Please. I gotta give up.
Look, I've got my axe because that does more damage. And
Wait, what?
That's a terrible idea.
I guess I'll just kill this guy with my fist, like, bro.
Roll back to spawn.
This guy's got the worst lag ever. I would hate to be him. I dropped my axe for some reason.
Wait, where are you?
Check that. What the heck?
Yes. No.
Leave me alone, please. I've only
I'm gonna
got
try and hit them in the air. Oh wait, you are a person in this world. You're an actual person? Oh my god, you're a person. Interesting.
I don't have a sword, please. Damn it. I didn't have an
No,
axe.
this is what you get. Yes. Okay, it's not full diamond.
What the hell? Dude, that's like
Pick it up,
bruh.
pick it up. Oh no. Don't kill me. Oh yes, I got infinity on this bow. No, please. Oh no.
Oh, I just got a diamond sword, bro. Get him, he's so long.
Oh,
yes, did he?
Did you die?
Yeah, I died by him, sadly. I'm coming on you.
Come on, I need to pick this up.
There's a guy. And he like completely messed up my
Come on, I need to.
You suck, bro. Like, oh my god, look at you. Look at you. Look at this dude. Oh no, I'm dead. Damn it.
Dude, die.
What the hell?
Oh my god!
This is a guy with a really weird skin.
Is it this guy? Oh, it's Armored Duck, isn't it?
No, please. No. Please. Damn it.
Oh, I'm killing the guy who killed you. Wait, is it this guy?
Yum.
No!
Eee.
So close.
I just got loads of good armor. Wood
Gonna
iron.
get that curry.
Monkey. Motherfucking boy. No, I'm kidding. Remember that song we made up?
No. Oh, this guy can't even move. That's so sad for him. That's so sad for him. Killed him by arrows. Didn't even hit me once.
What you do?
Wait, it's me.
Oh, sorry.
Oh! Don't worry. I'm here. This is what I had done before.
What the hell? This guy, bro.
Die. No, diamond guy, dude, diamond guy.
Sorry. Oh, I nearly killed him. He's so low.
Ah! Couldn't kill him, I was in gold armor.
How do you get different kits? I want to know.
No idea. Remember, the last episode of Kit PvP or video of Kit PvP, you were trying to figure it out. Oh my god! Unless you made any other Kit PvP videos. Nope, he's on fire now. Die. I'm gonna kill this guy.
Oh my god,
No,
there's a
I
bunch of
won't.
demons.
Ah, man.
I just accidentally got a rookie kit. Yeah, look at all this good stuff I have. For some reason I just feel like throwing it away, but like, bro. I don't want this. Have these arrows. No, I'll get rid of these arrows.
Oh my god, he came out of nowhere. They're both the same. Hey, do you want a bow? You want an awesome bow? Here. Take that. Take it! Okay, let's go.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's get it. We need to get king in the house.
Go up here.
Sure, my dude.
Sorry. Actually,
Oh my god, I'm somehow still alive. Haha, I got him! Yeah, oh god, I'm getting shot now. I'm going down.
oh, he hit me.
No, I'm dead!
Oh!
I'm coming. There's a guy.
I know, he's trying to kill me. Yes, I got him. No, someone's trying to kill me. I'm getting off. Sorry! No! Don't let him kill me. I gotta get in this thing.
How am I still alive?
Kill. Oh, smash it. Oh my god!
Easy. He just called us noobs.
Yeah, the same. Oh my god. I was about to die and that was not really good.
Bruh. I had no chance.
No! No! Oh. He's gonna come up here, isn't he?
This guy like really sucks at PvP. Like.
No, you died.
Yeah, get that diamond guy. It's really annoying. Wait, where are you?
I am sniping this guy like, oh, this guy's dead. There's no way he's gonna survive.
Did him come in? I'm alive. Get that fight up there.
Yes!
Careful, because someone could just come on top of us and kill us.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Did I just shoot you?
Do not let him kill us.
Oh, getting shot from behind.
Ah! God, I got hit. No! Yeah, we are getting shot from behind, which is bad, sort of. Get out! Get out! I died!
I'm getting down.
They're coming from everywhere.
Let me kill you. I'm so low. Almost if I kill this guy. Nope.
I'm gonna kill him. Coward. Oh my god. It's a hacker. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Incredible hacks right there.
Oh, I just nearly killed an iron guy.
Don't
yeah,
worry.
get him, get him, get him.
No, keep chasing him.
I got him so freaking low, dude. If he gets you, just use your potion.
Yes!
Yeah!
You can have most of it because you got him really low.
Okay.
I just have the boots.
Quick, quick. Someone's coming.
Run.
I am dead.
No, he's hacking.
No. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure that was.
That's hacked.
Hey, thanks. I mean. You want to go to that same spot?
Boom. Frick. Oh, man.
This guy, like, really sucks. Oh, lag. Damn it. I got him, like, really low. Wait, where are you? Yes. My boy. Where are you, my man?
Can y'all see me?
Are you there?
Trying to get here. Oh, you're here. You're there, which is good because then you're not where I am.
Nub hacker. Where do you want to go?
Yeah, let's get down.
Come here, boy! Wait, did you take 4 damage? Thank God.
No, otherwise you'd be dead.
Whoa. I just like lagged, bro.
Why?
I don't know. You should have seen that in my video.
Get him.
That's an easy kill right there. I'm going in, bro.
Let's go, dude.
Let's tango. Oh, never mind. He went.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh God, I didn't even see him.
Ah! Oh my god!
Damn it. I nearly had him then.
I was spam clicking actually.
Hey. Oh my God, my aim is trash.
Oh my god, I hit him.
Just saying, we're an easy target. You do know that.
Yeah, which is why we're in a terrible spot. But up there is worse.
There's a guy.
Oh my god! Came out of nowhere. I turned around and he was there.
I had no chance that time.
Oh my god!
Oh God.
Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna have to end the video
No,
after
no,
this kill.
No,
After I
no.
die.
Keep going, because your other videos are so short. I mean, we want them to be long. Sorry. Oh no.
Why is he destroying that guy?
Oh my god.
Flip. Run! Eat that. Eat that. Eat that breakfast, huh? I'll flip. Okay. I'm gonna.
Don't end the video.
But my dad's gonna complain.
Why?
Doesn't like it when my videos are way too long.
Okay, just go.
Okay, guys. Oh, crit flip.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I messed up.